Hello guys, today we are going to see Korean consonants. So in Korean language, the consonants are 19 in number. Okay, so it is divided into three types. Okay, consonants are three types. One is plain, second is aspirated, third is tense. So this is the division. So plain consonants, aspirated, and tense consonants. So you have plain consonants 10 in number, aspirated 4 in number, and tense. Sorry, plain consonants 10 in number, aspirated 4, and tense consonants 5 in number. Together it is 19 in number. Okay. So this is basic idea about consonants in Korean language. Today we are going to see plain consonants. Okay, plain consonants. So I write here all plain consonants, and then I'll explain all these plain consonants. So first is something like this. So these are 10 plain consonants. I have written here the structure of these plain consonants. Let us take one by one and analyze this. The first one, the first syllable, first consonant is written like this. Okay, which is having a sound value of k or g. Okay, which is having a sound value of k or g. For example, if you take book, okay, book, the k sound of book or the g sound of mug. Okay, the k sound of book or g sound of mug. So the sound value of this is k or g. So it is also called a dual sound, which means that it will have different sounds at different positions. Okay, now let us analyze this, at which location it will have what kind of sound. Let us suppose this is a three lettered word. In that, okay, when you see at first time this syllable, okay, so it will have k sound value. When you see for the first time, means when you see at very beginning of a word this letter, it will have k sound. If you see any other place, if you see this letter at any other place, it will have g sound value. Okay, it will have k sound value at very first case. At all other positions it will have g sound value. So that is first syllable or first consonant. K or g is the sound value. So the writing direction for this is 1 and 2. So slightly it is written like 7. Okay, so two strokes are possible for this. So this is the first consonant. Coming to the second consonant, let us analyze the second consonant. So second is n. Okay, so this is a single sound. Okay, single sound. So the sound value of this is n. For example, the n sound of pen. The n sound of pen. So pen, pen. N is the sound value. N is the sound value. So since it is a single sound, so in a word, let us suppose this is a word. So if you have this syllable, at all positions, it will have n as a sound value. Okay, n is the sound value. So the writing direction is 1 and 2. Two strokes for this particular sound. Okay, next sound. The third one is written like this. Okay, so which is th or d. Okay, th or d sound. For example, sixth, right? Sixth, the th sound of sixth, th and dh. Okay, for example, um, mm, for example, okay, so the dh sound of Buddhism, right? So th or d is the sound value for this, th or d. So similarly, like what we have seen earlier, in a word, if you have this sound, when you see this first in a word, then it will have th sound. At all other places, it will have dh sound value. Okay, th and dh sound value. So the writing direction for this is first direction, and the second direction is something like this, together in the form of L. Okay, together in the form of L. So 1 and 2. So this is th and th, and th. So next one, next is fourth one. Okay, so this is having L and R. So ball, L, or car, R. Okay, sound value of this is L, or R, L or R. Okay, L or R. So similarly, the rule applies same when you have this particular syllable at very first case, then it is L sound. At all other positions, it is having R sound. Okay, R sound. So writing direction of this is 1, 2, okay, and then 3. So you can see here 1, 2, and 3. This is the writing direction. So this is fourth syllable, which is L or R. L or R. So fifth one, right? So this is the one single sound, which is M. For example, sem. Okay, the M sound of sem. M sound of sem. Right? So single sound. So when you see this in a word at any place, like this, so it will have only one sound. M, M, M. How do we write this? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. 3 strokes possible for this. Okay, so this is single sound. Fifth sound is M, and then sixth sound. Again, this is a dual sound, which is having P or B. For example, top, pub. Okay, the P sound of top and B sound of pub, right? P sound of top and B sound of pub. So which becomes P or B, P or B. Similarly, in a word, if you have this sound at first, you say P, you sound that with P. At all other positions, you can sound this as B. Okay, so P and B. So writing direction is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 strokes for this sound, this particular syllable. So next sound, next syllable, sixth one is S, like yes. For example, bus or bus. Okay, the S sound of bus or bus. S is the sound value for this. Okay, S is the sound value. So similarly, in a word, if you have this particular syllable, so at all places it will have S as a sound value. Okay, so the writing direction is something like lambda. Okay, lambda in Greek word 1 and 2. You can see the second line is originating from the center. Okay, it is originating from the center. So 1, 2 strokes for this. So this particular sound value is S. Okay, S. So next sound, seventh sound. Okay, so like this. So which is having sound. For example, Samsung. Right, the sound of Samsung. Sound of Samsung is this one. So this is a tricky syllable. Most of the times it is silent. Okay, most of the times it is silent. If it has if it has sound at one particular place called final consonant position. Okay, final consonant position. We'll discuss about this later. So at this particular position, it will have the sound value of okay, otherwise it is usually a silent. Okay, so this is one. So writing direction is one stroke, something like this. Okay, it is exactly not like 0, but then there will be a small overhang here, so it is one stroke. So this is so next syllable, is ninth one, it is okay. So it is chu or ju, chu or ju. For example, such, the chu sounds, the chu sound of such, or the mm, mm, the z, okay, z sound of buzz, okay, z sound of buzz. So this is a dual sound. Again, in a word it will have, when the first time it will have ch, at all other positions it will have z, okay, j or z sound it will have. So it is a dual sound again. So our writing direction for this is one, okay, one horizontal line, and then from the center a diagonal line, and from this diagonal line center there is another one more line, okay, something like this. So there's a slight difference, slight similarity between s and chu, okay, s and chu, the only difference is, so there will be a horizontal line for chu, okay, additionally. So you should not be confused with these two sounds. So this is chu, chu or ju, it is a dual sound. So last consonant, last plain consonant. Okay, so we are dealing with plain consonants only at this stage. So last plain consonant is h. Okay, it is h. So pronunciation is h, h-u-h. Okay, h, h. How do we write this? One dot, one straight line, and then one here. So 10. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so for this also it's a single sound. Wherever the sound comes, it will have one sound, which is h. Okay, h or h. Okay, single sound. So these are 10 plain consonants. Okay, plain consonants. Let me one time read this together so that you will understand the sound difference. So this is k or g, this is n, this is t or d, this is l or r, this is m, this is p or b, this is s, this is n, this is ch or j, and this is h. K or G, N, Th or D, L or R, M, P or B, S, Ng, Ng, Ch or J, and H. Okay, so these are plain consonants. Okay, plain consonants. Okay, now we see aspirated consonants.